Good morning, students. Today we are going to understand next sum from accounting for debentures. Sum number 20. Star Technology Limited issued 16,008.5 percentage debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10 percentage as on 1/9/2017. All the debentures are redeemable at a premium of 8 percentage after 6 years. The amount was payable as follows: on application rupees 60 per debenture, on allotment balance amount per debenture. Balance amount will be 30 rupees after discount. Here 10 rupees discount will be come. 10 percentage discount is means 100 rupees, 10 percentage means 10 rupees. Then pass the necessary general entries for issue of debentures in the books of company. Then first entry will be bank account debit, 2 8.5 percentage debenture application account. Then on 16,000 shares 16 rupees will be got by the company. Then amount will be 9,60,000. Then narration being amount of application is received on 16,000 debentures at rupees 60 per debenture. Then this amount will be transferred to debenture account. 8.5 percentage debenture application account debit to 8.5 percentage debentures account. Nine lakh 60,000. Narration being amount of application is transferred to debentures account. Then we will call allotment money. Third, 8.5 percentage debenture allotment account debit. Here we will show discount on debentures account debit. We have to redeemed these debentures on premium. So here the loss is occurred, for which we will leave a line. Then to 8.5 percentage debentures. So here in debit side we will leave a line, and also in credit side we will leave a line. So difference 30 rupees will be called at the time of allotment. So 16,000 multiplied by 30, 4,80,000. Then 10 rupees is discount here. 16,000 multiplied by 10, 1,60,000. And 16,000 multiplied by 40 will be transferred to 8.5 percentage debentures account, means 6,40,000. Then students, these debentures are redeemed 8 percentage premium. So 8 rupees loss will be transferred to loss on issue of debentures account debit to premium on redemption of debenture account. then student 8 rupees will be taken here, means 1,28,000. 16,000 multiplied by 8. In credit side also we will transfer 1,28,000. Then narration being amount of allotment is called on 16,000 debentures at rupees 30 per debenture after discount. And premium on redemption of debenture is occurred ₹8 per debenture. Then students, this amount will be received by the company. Then entry will be bank account debit to 8.5% debenture allotment account. Then amount will be received by the company 4,80,000. Then narration being amount of allotment is received. Here no need to make total students. Then इसी के साथ कंप्लीट होता है स्टूडेंट्स हमारा सम नंबर 20. नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट सम्स के साथ स्टूडेंट्स. आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू सपोर्ट अस. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.